Hi, this is Dan McKeown, and in this screencast, we're going to take a look at transpiling your ES 2015 JavaScript code using the Gulp Babel plugin in 2016. Well, and why do I say that? Well, because I have some previous screencasts, and in fact, this is the third chapter for Gulp. And to go with the screencast on Pacific IO, I have the code and stuff like that. And if you take a look at this here, we've got a Babel task in this, and this is the version from last year. So let's take a look at the code. It's the same task here, pipe through Babel. So we're gonna take in our library, in our Gulp file, we're gonna take a look at this cards.js file. This is the code that powers the DJM blog blackjack game, and as you can see, it uses class declarations, and those are an ES6 feature. So that, for example, we should expect to be changed if it's being transpiled from ES 2015, also known as ES6, to the current JavaScript that should be able to run on the widest range of browsers. So let's run that Gulp task, and then we'll take a look in the dist directory where our Gulp file outputs, and let's see the cards.js. All right, now when we take a look at it, and it does not look significantly different. In fact, we are looking at a file that uses the class declarations. So this is something that we are going to have to adjust to now, because the default behavior of Babel has changed. So in our Gulp file, we've got to add something in order to make it actually transpile the ES 2015 code. So here, the presets parameter is going to be passed in an object, and that's what we're going to add to our Gulp file. Now that we've done that, let's go and run the same task again. Okay, looks like it's running it. Okay, 3.65 seconds, and it's done. So let's go now and take a look at the dist directory and take a look at the cards.js. Okay, well now we're looking at a somewhat different file. We're looking at it using what amount to more conventional function expressions with some other features, because this is in ES5. So because we made that change to the Gulp file, it has changed. So this is just something where these Gulp plugins are going to reflect the behavior of the underlying code, and the underlying code will change its behavior sometimes. So this is just an update to the Gulp file that you're going to find in chapter 1, and there's a few other features, but that's a really important one, because you're still going to want to transpile in a lot of cases now in 2016, even if maybe not all the time now.